Now paper number 70. Now in this paper number 70, question numbers 60, 70, 66 to 70. Now in this, now what is given here? There are some 7 boxes. Now 7 boxes are there and they are in a linear row and one after the other with an equal distance between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then each box contains different number of chocolates. What are the chocolates we have? 5, 6, 9, 13, 11, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 16. Now these are the numbers we have. And 7 boxes are there, they are linear, in a linear row. And each box contains different number of chocolates. And all the boxes are placed in descending order from left to right based on the number of chocolates. Now based on the number of chocolates, they were clearly given. Now first or the second priority? First or the second? Why it comes under the second? Parameter given. What is the parameter given? Chocolates, that to a number. First or the second? And now here. Now in order to arrange all this, what is the information that is required? Arrange numbers. Numbers each. What is the condition given? All these are arranged in the descending order according to the number of chocolates in them. That means, what is the order we have? 16, 13, 11, 9, 8, 6, 5. Now for this one, do we require any other information? My order already checked why it comes under the second priority. My parameter arrange second priority. What it all these are in an order. Isn't it? Definitely first priority. Second priority. But as all the boxes are placed in a descending order, from left to right, and based on the number of chocolates that contains in each box. Then it comes under which priority? First priority. And G contains prime number of chocolates. Prime number of chocolates, how many possibilities we have? How many possibilities? 3 possibilities. G can be here, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or G can be 11, or what is the other possibility we have? 9, 8, 6, 5. Now G can be at 5th as well. Now, as of now, let us work out 2 possibilities. There are only 2 boxes between H and G. Now, G ki H ki any boxes are 2. Now, between G and H, there are only 2. Total number of chocolates in K and M is a perfect square. Now, K plus M is what? Is a square. Now, K plus M is what? Is a perfect square. And K plus M is a perfect square. 5 plus 6 is a perfect square. 5 plus 9 is a perfect square. And next one, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 11. 5 plus 11 is a perfect square. 5 plus 11 is what? 16. And 16 plus 9. And it is? And 9 plus 16. What is the other possibility? 9 and 16. 16 plus 9 antara. It is a 25. 25 then now total number of chocolates K and M is a perfect square. Now 5 plus 11 16 and 9 plus 16, now it is again a perfect square. 9 plus 16, it is a perfect square. Then next one, and total number of between K and M, and number of J is placed 2 places away from H. J is 2 places away from H. J is J must be in these 2 places in any order. J is not immediate to G. As J is not immediate to G, then J cannot be here. J is. J is not immediate to G. This case is ruled out. Am I case point? J is not immediate to G. And next one, N is placed 2 places away from K. Now N and K must be in the alternate places. N is 2 places away from K. That means in between N and K there is exactly 1. N contains even number of chocolates. Now N contains even number of chocolates. Then N and K even number of chocolates. Then L is immediate to K. L is immediate to K. L and K must be together. L and K is together. K is here. L is here. N and K there is exactly 1. Then what else is left over here? M. Now M is here. K plus M is what? A perfect square. Then my second priority on the scene undo దీనికి అసలు clear? ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆల్రెడీ చాలా క్లియర్గా ఇచ్చాడు. All these were arranged in the descending order. Numbers were fixed. Numbers fixed అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి you need to arrange only the boxes. Then coming to question number 70 to 74. మా 70 to 74 చేశారో లేదా? Now question number 70 to 74. Then king of jungle lion is written as jungle has. What is the code for the word lion? As what is the code to the word lion అన్నాం. As what is the answer to the word lion here? మా lion కి కోడ్ చెప్పాలి. Now the code for the word lion is here and now is it anywhere here? No. That means lion is the only word that is left over. మా ఏ వర్డ్ మిగిలిపోయింది ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు కోడ్స్ చూడండి. Now UR and QR is common or not? మా QR ఎక్కడుంది? And QR is not there. UR ఉందో? Yes, UR is here and NR is here, isn't it? NR, PR. Then what is left over? QR. The code for line is QR, choice 3. And what is the code to the word has? My has అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది. And it is not repeated anywhere else. Then left over చూడండి. Jungle, wild animals. My animals common ఉంది and jungle common ఉంది and wild common. Now 3 are common. 3 common got what are common here? NR is common. Then yes, WR, TR, SR. TR is common. Then SR is common. What is left over? WR. Now has is WR, question number 71. Then 72, what is the code to the word GR? Now the code to the word GR is, my GR acronym GR is here. As GR is here, then GR is nowhere present anywhere else. LR, SR, UR. LR, SR, UR. Then LR, SR is common. UR is common. Then my మిగిలిపోయింది ఏం చెప్పండి? LR and GR. Then what is your answer here? GR? మా ఇంకెక్కడైనా GR ఉందా? లేదు. Then what could be? Could be అన్నాడు కాబట్టి we have two words. Now and jaguar. And what is the other word that is common? Off. Hence photo or jaguar. Between these two, what is given? Photo and choice for. ఎందుకు can? Could be means it is a possible answer. Then 73. And KR stands for. Where is KR? KR is here. Now as KR is here, then PR, TR, CR. And PR and TR. And next one, what else is left over here? Now CR is not there. My KR ki mari code em undali? Then the words that are common. Now king is common. Then animals is common. Elect or the. The are elect. 1 or 3, choice 4, question number, choice 5, question number 73. Then next one 74. Now in this 74, jungle elect line. Now jungle elect and line is the code. Then what is the code to the word the? మా దా అనే వర్డ్ మనకు కావాలి. మా దా అనేది ఇక్కడే కదా ఉంది మనకి. And the is here. Jungle elect and line. Now jungle is here. And what is common here? NR is common. The code for jungle is what? NR. Elect and lion. Lion is here. Lion ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి NR అయిపోయింది. QR is common. The code for lion is what? QR. And elect is here. Elect is what? Elect is KR. Now these are the 3 elements. Then elect king animals. Elect is what? KR. And next one king and animals. Now king and animals. King is common between the first and the last. And PR is common. And next one animal is common between 2 and 3. Then CR or TR is common. Then what is the code to the word though? CR. That is choice 1, question number 74. Then in this 75, now in each other, what is the word we have? Agnivir. Now Agnivir is the word AGNIVER. And Agnivir is the word that is common. Each vowel in the word Agnivir is changed to next letter. Vowel changed to next letter, A has become B, IJ, EF, AF. Vowel changed to next letter and each consonant changed to previous. Now this is F, M and U and this is Q. And then the alphabets so formed are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. Which of the following letters is fourth from the right? Now fourth from the right, what is the first from the right? U. And first from the right is U. And second from the right is what? Q. And next one, what is the next one we have? M. Next to M is what? J. Now J, that is choice 2, question number 75. Then 76 onwards. Now in this question number 76 onwards, there are some 7 persons. and they are living in a building that has only 4 floors, 7 persons and 4 floors, and 1 floor is vacant, and first or the second, my second priority. Vacant floor, చెప్పలేం ఏదైనా డిఫికల్ట్ ఉండొచ్చు. That to information if you have here, and lengthy information, definitely under the second priority. When compared with the first set, 66 to 70, which is more easier? First one is easier. It comes under the first priority, this comes under the second priority. Then coming back to this one, how many floors we have? 4. Then 4, 3, 2, 1 are the 4 floors we have. And each floor is having how many flats? 2 flats. And each floor is having 2 flats. Altogether 4 floors, 2 flats means 8 flats. Then 8 flats were there. Then one of the floor is what? Vacant floor. Then at the same time, mankena parameter undo indulo? Yes, color is also clearly given. Definitely under the second priority. And the floor number and flat number of R is same. Floor number and flat number of R is same ante meaning em cheppandi? Enduku second floor? Mari R can be first floor, first flat, second floor, second. Floor number, flat number is one and the same. Third floor, is it possible? No, because third flat is not there, it is not possible. First floor, first flat, second floor, second flat. Then next one, the vacant floor is an odd number floor. Vacant floor, odd number floor, either 1 or 3. R lives below the vacant floor. R lives below the vacant floor, hence vacant floor must be on third floor. And third floor in which flat? Either first or second, 2 possibilities in this one. Then there is only 1 floor between R and the one who likes orange. Between R and the one who likes orange, there must be exactly 1 floor. Now between R and the one who likes orange, now there must be exactly 1 floor. Then, and there are only 2 floors between T and the one who likes orange. If orange is here, 2 floors between T and orange is not possible. And this case is completely ruled out. Hence we have only R, second floor, second floor. Now here how many possibilities are there for this vacant? 2. What are those 2? And vacant can be either here or vacant can be here. There are 2 possibilities. What are those 2 possibilities here? Now vacant can be either at this place or vacant can be here. Then whatever this one, orange and T, there must be exactly 2 floors. Orange, now orange is here and T is at this place. Orange and T, there must be exactly 2 floors. And R and the one who likes orange, there is only 1 floor between R and orange. There are 2 floors between T and the one who likes orange. Now T and the one who likes orange, there are exactly 2 floors. Now P likes red color and lives immediately above the vacant flat. And immediately above this vacant flat P, where should this P be? Now P ekkada how many possibilities? Why 2 possibilities? Immediately above, only 1. What is that only 1? Immediately above floor another, flat another, immediately above another. Maybe flat or a floor. Hence maybe here or maybe here, 2 possibilities. Then my crazy chances may reckon. That is the reason I'm insisting for you people to. Then P and the vacant is same number. Now P and the vacant are same number flat, P is. P and vacant. Then S likes orange. S likes orange, S is here and likes orange. Now S likes orange, S is here and likes which one? And likes orange. S likes orange and lives on an even number floor. Yes, orange lives on an even number floor. No one lives to the east office. No one is to the east office. This is ruled out. No one is to the east office. Then the one who likes brown lives above the one green. Now brown is above the one who likes green. Brown and green are like this. Then both T and white do not live in the same. Both T and white do not live on the same number floor. And white cannot be on the first floor. And white cannot be on the first floor. And you lives below the one who likes blue. And you lives below the one who likes blue. And both are living in the same number flat. Immediately below another, you lives below the one. Now blue kinde undali, you undali. And T likes black color. Now T and which likes black color, V lives on an even number floor. V lives on an even number floor and likes neither brown nor blue. And V even numbered but neither. R does not like brown color. Clear? R does not like brown color. This is what the information we have. My S ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి, T ఉండాలి. How many possibilities are there to this T? 2 possibilities. Now T can be either on the first flat or in the second. My T ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? Now we are talking about a possibility here. మీకు ఇక్కడ కాకపోతే then we need to start here. For this purpose we cannot draw another possibility as of now. ఇప్పుడు మనం డ్రా చేయలేం మళ్ళీ కొత్త డయాగ్రామ్. క్లియర్? అందుకే ఇలా రాసుకున్నాం. దెన్ మీరు ఎలా రాసుకుంటారు? సేమ్ కలర్ కాబట్టి యూ నీడ్ టు ఎన్సర్కిల్ దట్ వన్. దెన్ టీ బ్లాక్తో మొదలు పెట్టు. మా టీ బ్లాక్తో మొదలు పెడితే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి. దెన్ దెర్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ 2 floors between T and the one who likes orange. And P likes red and lives immediately above. P likes red immediately above vacant flat. S likes orange and lives on an even number. No one lives to the east of S. The one brown lives above the one green. Now brown is above the one green, brown and green. And both T and white do not live in the same number flat. T and white do not live in the same number flat. White cannot be here. Clear? As white cannot be here, where should this white be? My white ekkada unnadi? Second floor or the third floor? Then next one, U lives below the one blue and both are living in the same number flat. U lives below the one blue and same number flat. Same number flat అంటే definitely here. అవునా కదా? And U lives below whom? Below blue. కానీ U ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? U must be here. మరి బ్లూ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? వైట్ ఈజ్ ఆర్, వై కాన్ బి హియర్? ఇమీడియట్ అనలేదు కదమ్మా. మా ఇంటి నేను తప్పులు చేస్తున్నారు. నేను తప్పులు చేస్తున్నా మీరా? క్లియర్? మీరు అలా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. తప్పులు చేసినా పర్వాలేదు, అలా మాట్లాడుతుంటే తెలుస్తుంది మీరు ఎక్కడ తప్పు చేస్తున్నారు. డన్, ఫైన్. నో ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాం మనం? ఇక్కడ యూ లీవ్స్ బిలో ద వన్ అన్నాడా, ఇమీడియట్లీ బిలో అన్నాడా? బిలో ద వన్. బిలో ద వన్ హూ లైక్స్ బ్లూ అంటే ఇక్కడ వేకెంట్ ఫ్లాట్ అయిపోయింది. మరి ఇక్కడ బ్లూ ఉన్నా యూ ఈజ్ బిలో, ఇక్కడ బ్లూ ఉన్నా యూ ఈజ్ బిలో యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో. క్లియర్? ఫైన్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, T and the one. You lives below the one who likes blue and both living in the same number flat. Both are living in the same. And T likes black color. Where is this T? T likes black. V lives on an even number floor. Clear? V lives on an even number floor, hence V must be here. As V lives on an even number floor and likes neither brown nor blue. Ma brown ledu, blue ledu. And brown and blue cannot be at this place. And R is also does not like brown. R also does not like brown. Then who must like brown? This person must like brown. Clear? And if this person likes brown, then R must be R. Clear? Then, blue, green. Then R is what? R is blue color. R is blue. And R, U is below this blue. Saripindi kada? U below this blue. Inka manaki migilipoyindi ante one more person. Who is that person? Q. Now Q is here. Then, inke T likes black. V, even number floor, neither likes brown nor blue. R does not like brown. R does not like brown. Then what are the colors that are left over here? And white. White cannot be on the first floor. Hence white must be on the second floor, that is V. Red, orange, brown, blue, white, black. Now U is what? U is green. None. Now 76 to 80. Hence it comes under the second priority. Then 81 onwards, 81 to how many questions? 3 questions. 81 to 83, then there are, now it comes under the first priority, 81 to 83, the relation between K and M. K is here, M is here. Now the relation between K and M, K and M. Now K is here, M is here. Which element is common? My element common ఉంది L. L to H. L equals to H kada, L will be here. And H equals to M kada, M is here. Then M lesser than K means K greater than. Then K greater than. A and G. A is here, G is here. Which element is common? C is common. Now C is common, A lesser than or equals to C, C lesser than or equals to H, then H lesser than or equals to G. Now from A to G. And what is the symbol that is common? Lesser than or equal. Hence, what is your answer? Both 1 and 2, choice for 81. Then 82, the relation between M and R. R is here, M is here. And which element is common? Which is common here? Now, M and R are lesser than or equals to what? Yes. And M greater than or equals to S means S lesser than or equals to M. R is either lesser or equals to M. M is either greater or equals to R. Now M greater than R, and at the same time Q and R are one and the same. In the place of Q you can write it as R, and M and V are as they are one and the same. M is either greater or equal, either 1 or 2. Choice 3, question number 82. Then 83. Now in this 83, the relation between G and N. Now G is here, N is here. Which element is common? Now which is common? Ma G ki N ki majla relation japal. Now R is common. Now R is common. G equals to R. And R, G equals to R. R lesser than what? R lesser than U. U greater than or equals to N. And from G to N, opposite symbol, no relation. Then next one, X and N. Now X is here, M is here. X is here, M is here. R lesser than X. R lesser than what? X. And X equals to U. U equals to K. And K greater than M. Then R and M, opposite symbol. Opposite symbol, no relation. Then what is your answer? Huh? Neither 1 nor 2. Neither 1 nor 2. What is your answer here? Choice 4. Then R and N. Then next coming to 84. Now in this 84, how many persons are there? There are some 8 persons. 8 persons seated around a circular table. And all these persons are facing away from the center. And each one of them likes? Each one of them likes? No, different colors. Each one of them likes different colors. Then these are the 8 persons who have, they like 8 different colors. 8 persons who like 8 different colors. And all these persons are seated around a circular table. And coming to condition number 1. T likes yellow and sits out to the right of R. R is here and T likes which color? Yellow, and sits out to the right of R. The one who likes blue, sits to immediate. Blue is neither immediate to T nor to R. And blue is neither immediate to T nor to R, and blue cannot be at any one of these. How many possibilities we have for this blue? Blue cannot be here as well. How many possibilities? How many? 3 or 2? 3. What is that one? Now blue can be here, can be here, can be here. R cannot be blue and second kada manaki. Okay? Now this blue is not adjacent to T and R. Blue అనేవాడు T కి R కి పక్కనే తెలియడు. బ్లూ ఆర్ కాదని మనకి అక్కడ చెప్పాలి. క్లియర్? మా పాసిబిలిటీ అక్కడే ఎక్కువ ఇచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. Then next one. And R does not like black color. R does not like black color. R is not black. Then 2 persons between black and blue. మా black and blue 2 persons. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం? Now can we have blue at this place or not? ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాం అంటే ఈ రెండు తీసుకోవచ్చు. పాసిబిలిటీస్ పెరుగుతాయి. అది ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. Then 2 persons కాబట్టి only 1 black will be fixed here. అర్థమైందా? కాకుండా ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే దెన్ ఇక్కడ మనకు పాసిబుల్. ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే ఎక్కడో పాసిబిలిటీ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ పాసిబుల్. క్లియర్? Hence, R does not like 2 persons between black and blue. S is to the immediate left of black. S is to the immediate left of black, and S likes red color. S is to the immediate left of black and S likes red color. Then V sits second to the right of the one who likes pink. Now V is seated second to the right of the one who likes pink. W is an immediate neighbor of the one who likes pink. Now W and pink, they are adjacent to each other. And 2 persons between P and Z. Now between P and Z, how many? There must be exactly 2 persons. Now P can be either here or here. There are 2 possibilities. And P, any information related to P? 2 persons between. And no one sits between. No, R does not 2 persons. S is and 2 persons between P and the one red color. P and red 2. U likes silver. U is what? U likes silver color. The one gold sits to the immediate left of. If P is here, gold is to the immediate left of P is not possible. And where should this P be? Now P is to the immediate left of R. Now P ekkunde. Gold is to the immediate left, gold is here. Then V and pink. And V is seated second to the right of pink. And here we cannot have pink. Pink ekkunde T and V must be together. We cannot have pink at this place. Then what is the only possibility left to this pink? Pink must be P. My ikkada pink unte. Then whatever this one, V is seated second to the right of pink. Then V is seated second to the right of pink, and W and pink are adjacent to each other. W is here and W and pink. U likes silver. Now U is here. Now U likes silver. And U likes silver. Then what else is left over? R does not like black color. R does not like black. Blue is neither T nor R. U is silver. Manta అయిపోయింది కదా. And the one who likes gold sits to the immediate left. And any other information? మా ఒక్కరు మిగిలిపోయారు. ఎవరది? Q. Now Q likes black color. Any other information? Color. Color ఒకటి మిగిలిపోయింది. What is that color? Orange. Now who likes orange? V likes orange. Then V likes orange. ఒక్కసారి ఆన్సర్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఎందుకు? వాడేమో అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద సెంటర్ ఇచ్చాడు. మనం ఏం చేసాం? టువర్డ్స్ సెంటర్ చేసేసాం. క్లియర్? టువర్డ్స్ సెంటర్ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఒక్కసారి కీ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఆన్సర్స్ కరెక్ట్ వచ్చాయా లేదా? ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేయడమా కరెక్ట్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా? కీ నన్నే చేయమంటారా? Then how many are in between Q and the one who likes silver when counted from the right of Q? Make it right of Q అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? మనం ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్ట్ తీసుకున్నాం. రైట్ అంటే ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? రైట్ లెఫ్టా? ఇక్కడ కూడా రైట్. క్లియర్? నథింగ్ విల్ చేంజ్. నా Q and the one who likes silver when counted from the right of Q. మా రైట్ ఆఫ్ క్యూకి క్యూకి సిల్వర్కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారో చెప్పండి. దెన్ హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? అండ్ దే ఆర్ అండ్ 4 1 2 రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ కాబట్టి 1 2 3 4. And next one 85. And who among the following persons sits third to the left of orange? Third to the left of orange అంటే W, the one who likes gold, choice 2. And 86. And who among the following person likes blue color? Now who likes blue? R. R choice 3, 86. Then 87. And position of P with respect to the immediate right of U team. Position of P, they are opposite. Fourth left or fourth right, choice 5, question number 87. Then 88. Odd one out. R and red. R and red, they are opposite to each other. P and black. P and black, 1 person. U and blue. My U and blue, there is 1 person. Then what is your answer? Choice. Now whether we have got the same answers or not? But definitely away వస్తాయి. Clear? If all the persons are facing towards one direction, default take it as towards the center. మళ్ళా చెయ్యాలి ఎగ్జామ్ అనుకుంటే చాలా గుండె ధైర్యం కావాలి. అవునా కదా? ఆ గుండె ధైర్యం కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ ఆ విధంగా మార్చుకోండి. వాడు సెంటర్ ఇస్తే మీరు ఏవే చేయండి, ఏవే ఇస్తే సెంటర్ చేయండి. ఎప్పుడు? ఎగ్జామ్లో కాదు, బయటకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత క్రాస్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్స్ సరిపోతున్నాయా లేదా? వన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ వర్క్డ్ అవుట్ ఫర్ అరౌండ్ 10 to 15 sets, then you can able to conclude. Conclusion అంటే అది as many times as you have done, you need to get the same cases in all that. Then only you can able to finalize. Then next one. And question number 89. My 89 చెప్పండి. Only cups is marks. Only cups is marks means now these marks belongs to only for cups and they does not belong to anything else. And these marks belongs to only for cups. And only a few cups are kept. Only some cups are caps but not all. Only some of the cups are caps but not all. All caps only. Now this entire cap is a part of jug. All jugs can be cups. All jugs can be cups. Possible or not possible? Now this entire jug can be a part of cup. Avutunda avudam? Yes. And it is true. Then all caps can be mugs. Now this entire cap can be a part of mug. No. Because this mug should not intersect with anything else. Then what is your answer? Only one. Only one, choice 1, question number 89. Then coming to question number 19. Then only book is table. And and this table belongs to only for book. Now table belongs to only for book and does not belong to anything else. Then some books are chairs. Some books are what? Some books are chairs. And only a few chairs are. Now some of the chairs that are paper, this entire chair cannot be a part of paper. Some books are papers, that is false. Some books are not papers too. Now to make this one false, now we need to draw all books are paper. I mean, raskocha the paper. Possible or not possible? Now if you have done like this, this will be what? False. At the same time, some books are papers. Now it has become true. Then what is your answer? Either one not. Either one not to choice 3, question number 90. మా సరిపోయిందా లేదా? క్లియర్ అవుతుందా? చెప్పండి, మరి మాట్లాడాలి కదా మరి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, ఓన్లీ ఉంది. ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చా, ఇట్ కెనాట్ బి డ్రాన్. యాజ్ ఇట్ కెనాట్ బి డ్రాన్, దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ హియర్? మరి ఆన్సర్ ఏమైంది, నాట్ సెకండ్ వన్ విల్ బి ట్రూ ఫర్ ఎవర్. మరి నేను ఏదంటే మీరు అదే అంటున్నారు, నేను ఎదురంటే మీరు ఎదురు అంటున్నారు. అవుతుందంటే లేదంటారు, అవుదా అంటే అవుతుంది సార్ అంటారు. మా యువర్ ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అవర్ మై టోన్. మై టోన్ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ బి ద రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్. క్లియర్? మిమ్మల్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి అలా మాట్లాడతాం, మీరు అలర్ట్ ఉండాలి. అండ్ దట్ టు దిస్ ఈస్ ద లాస్ట్ సెషన్, isn't it? Some cats are dogs. Then these are the cats that are dogs. Cat ikkada, dog ikkada. Saripinda ledha. And all rats are dogs. Now these are the rats that are dogs. And only a few cats are bad. Only some cats are bad, but not all. Then first one, all cats can be bad. All cats can be bad. Is it possible? No. Why it is no? Because only some cats, but not all. Hence not possible. Some dogs are cat. Dogs are cat. This is intersection between these two. Only two. Only two choice to question number 91. Then 92 and 5 persons were there. Now who are those 5? K, L, M and P are the 5 persons we have. And P is shorter than, M is shorter than N. And P is shorter than L. And K is shorter than only 2 people. Where is this K? K is taller than only 2 people. And N is shorter than K. N is shorter than K. N is shorter than K. The next one, L is taller than M. Ma L is taller than M undi. L tarvata em undali, M undali, M tarvata N undali, isn't it? Then what is the possibility we have? Then who among the following is the second shortest? Then tell me who is the second shortest here? And after this L, who is the first one? Ma first ever undali. L next ever undali. M next one K. And after this K, then between L and L happen. L and P. Any information between N and P? No. Then the question is about, then second shortest. Second shortest ever undali. Either P or N. P or N choice 492. Clear? Either P or N choice 4, question number 82. Then fine, cannot be written. Now what should be the answer at this place? Em ravali ikkada? P or గట్టిగా పిఆర్ఎన్. ఇంకేమున్నాయమ్మా? కేఎల్ఎం. ఎల్ఎంకే అయితే ఫిక్స్ కదా, కేఎల్ఎం. కేఎల్ఎం ఫిక్సా లేదా? మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు? పిఆర్ఎన్. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రావాలి? పి ఇక్కడ వస్తే ఎన్ ఇక్కడ, ఎన్ ఇక్కడ వస్తే పి ఇక్కడ. మరి ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఉండొచ్చు? పిఆర్ఎన్. మరి ఆన్సర్ ఏమైంది? పిఆర్ఎన్ ఆర్ కెనాట్ బి డిటర్మిన్డ్. అమ్మా సెకండ్ ప్లేస్. ఫైన్. ఇక్కడ ఎల్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేసాం. క్లియర్? ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రావచ్చు? అండ్ either you can have P or N or you can have M as well. క్లియర్? అప్పుడు కెనాట్ బి డిటర్మిన్డ్ వస్తుంది. మరి మీరు మాట్లాడితే ఇన్ని చేంజెస్ చేస్తాం. మీరు మాట్లాడలేదనుకోండి, ఒకటే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతాం. దెన్ నో, అన్లైక్ ద ప్రీవియస్ డేస్, మా ఈరోజు ఏంటో చాలామంది రెస్పాండ్ అవుతున్నారు. లైక్లీ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ రెస్పాండ్. అండ్ మేబీ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇమ్మెటీరియల్. మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడుతుంటే బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యువర్ అజంప్షన్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. దాని నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ డే అటువంటి తప్పు చేసే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉండదు మీకు. అందుకే ఏం చేయాలి? మాట్లాడాలి. మాట్లాడాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ముందుకు రావాలి. క్లియర్? ఇంకా ముందుకు వచ్చాను. చాలా స్పేసెస్ ఖాళీ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఫస్ట్ బెంచెస్లో ఆక్యుపై చేసుకోండి. అది మీరు మాట్లాడితే ఐ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు క్యాచ్ యూ పీపుల్. దెన్ అర్థమైందమ్మా? చెప్పండి. వాళ్ళు ఎలాగా వినరు, వాళ్ళు అట్లీస్ట్ మీరైనా వినాలి. మీరైనా విన కొద్దిగా ముందుకు వస్తే ఐ విల్ టాక్ విత్ యూ పీపుల్. ఓకే? దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. దెన్ 93. వాళ్ళు వినరు. అందుకే జాబులు కూడా ఎవరికి వస్తున్నాయి? అమ్మాయిలకి ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. అబ్బాయిలకి ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు? ఎందుకు తగ్గిపోయినాయి అబ్బాయిలకి? ఎందుకు తగ్గిపోయినాయి? ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడరు, అప్పుడు మాట్లాడు, ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళినా మాట్లాడు. దెన్ 7 persons were there. Now 7 persons were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then KLMNOPQR and seated in a line. And some are facing north and some of them are facing south. Then N sits third. Q sits at one of the extreme ends. Now Q is at one of the extreme ends, so how many possibilities do we have? Now Q can be at the left extreme or Q can be at the right extreme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there are 2 possibilities. What are those 2 possibilities? Q can be either at the left extreme or at the right. Q sits out to the right, N sits out to the right of Q. then Q must be not. N sits out to the right of Q. Q must be so. Then there are only two persons between M and P. Now in between M and P there are only two. P sits to the immediate left of N. P is to the immediate left of N. How many possibilities? Two possibilities in each of these. Then next one. And the person sitting at the extreme, N's are opposite. N's are opposite direction. Then M is facing opposite to K. M and K opposite directions. The next one, K sits out to the right of N. Now K is seated out to the right of N, N is facing north. Now K is seated out to the right of N, N is facing south. Then coming back to this, P is to the immediate left of N. P is to the immediate left of N, P is. మా P is to the immediate left of N, P is. మేము ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇలా యారో ఎలా రాసాము, మా యారో ఇటు నుంచి ఎటు రాసాం, లెఫ్ట్. అందుకే డైరెక్షన్ మనకి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఇక్కడే రాసుకోవాలి. Then next one. Then the persons at the extreme. And extreme ends are facing opposite. Then here Q is south and K is north. Ends opposite. N and P అయిపోయింది. M and P 2. Then M will be here. M will be here. ఇది అయిపోయింది. M and K opposite direction. M is not. మా ఇక్కడ Q and M and K opposite. M and K opposite. K north, M south. K south, M north. M and K opposite. Then K sits out to the right of N. The next one, immediate neighbors of M, same direction but opposite to M. Immediate neighbors of M, same direction opposite to M. Immediate neighbors of M, same direction opposite to M. Then, and both P and L sit to the immediate left of each other. P and L, and P and L. Then L is to the immediate left of P, P is to the immediate left of L. And L is to the immediate left of P, P is to the immediate left of L. O faces south direction. O is here south. O is here north. With the help of the last statement, this condition, this case got invalid. Till that one, both the cases are intact. Then, now this is from question numbers 93 to 97. Then 98 to 100. Then coming back to 98 to 100. (98 to 100). Now in this 98 to 100, now Sony walks 8 meters from his home in the north direction. Where is Sony? Sony walks 8 meters north and from his home in the north direction. Now this is the starting point of Sony. From here, 8 meters towards which direction? North. He then takes left turn and walks for 4 meters. Left turn and walks for 4. He then walks 12 meters south. And from here, how many meters? 12 meters. Now this is 8 and this is 4. And then takes left turn and walks 6 meters. Make it 6 meters. Now this is 4 and this is 6 meters. He then turns north and walks 4. And north and walks for how many meters? 4. He then walks 4 and 8 east. 4 east and 8 south. My 8 south and idi 4, idi 4. Then finally he turns right and walks 6 meters. My 6 and idi 4. Now this is how much? 2 more. 4 plus 2, 6. Then to reach the office. Now this is his office. Then how far is home from his office? Home from the office. Now we need to find out home from the office. Now distance is so much. This is 4, this is 4. 4 plus 4, 8 meters. That is choice to question number 98. Then 99. And Sony takes how many turns from his total traveling from his home to the office? Now first turn, second, next third, 4, 5, 6, 7. మా 7. మా కార్నర్స్ కౌంట్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోయి మనకి. అవునా కదా? ప్రతిసారి మీరు ఎలా కౌంట్ చేయకూడదు. మీరు ఎలా చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారు? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. మళ్ళీ అవుతుందా మనకి? కనుక ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి? కార్నర్స్ మొదలుపెట్టు. కార్నర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంటే ఇలా కటింగ్ పొట్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then next one 100. And what is the direction of Sony's office with respect to his home? And office is towards which direction? South, choice 300. Then this is about question numbers 40, 66 to 100. Clear? My any doubts in this one? మా అన్నీ అయిపోయినా ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా? మా పేపర్ అయిపోయినట్టే తెలియలేదు అసలు. Then coming to question numbers 56 onwards. Now in this 56, what is there in this one? 56. Number series. Number series 8 and 7. 8 and 7 into 1 minus 1. Now into 2 minus 4. Into 3 minus 9. Into 4 minus 16. Into 5 minus 25. 68 into 5. 340 minus 25. 315 choice 4. Into 1 minus 1 square. Into 2 minus 2 square. Into 3 minus 3 square. Then 57. Now in this 57. Now difference product or combination. దేంట్లో చేయాలి మనం చెప్పాలి మన 10తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది 1300 from 10 if you update it has increased by a larger margin but whereas from here to here you need to find out two successive numbers to score from here to here if you find out then what is the number we have all these are from 13 21 30 37 39 27 that means from here it has increased by at the most 20 numbers hence it must be difference mal identify chesko not based on the first and the last digit clear then 10 and 901 what is the difference we have what is 891 29 square ma gurtunda leda 901 and 1198 what is the difference we have here 297 the next one make a difference and dostundi cheppandi 99 the next one must be now into 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 and ఎంత రావాలి 33 now 33 plus చేయాలి ప్లస్ చేస్తే ఏమైంది 1330 choice to 57 then 58 now in this 58 1024 21 difference is so much minus 21 and 33 difference is so much plus 12 and next one 33 and 985 minus 38 సరిపోయిందా లేదా 33 and this one 40, 85 into 48 10 more then next one 3 into 4 12 12 into 4 48 48 into 4 196 and next one 196 into 4 196 into 4 ఎంత రావాలి 4 4 అంటే 16 దాకా 800 16 అంటే 884 clear and 774 now 774 added or subtracted added now 3 into 4 12 12 into 4 48 48 into 4 48 into 4 192 అవునా కదా 192 192 into 4 and the wall 2 into 4 into 16 and 2 into 4 8 then how much is this one 190 into 2 and 800 and what is the next number 768 now 768 768 must be added or subtracted subtract if you subtract this one what is your answer last digit must be 9 9 is what 409 choice fine then next one 59 now in this 59 12 and 14 difference is so much 2 now here the difference is 9 23 and 51 difference is so much 28 now here the difference is so much 65 9 can be written as 1 cube plus 1 2 cube plus 1 3 cube plus 1 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 1 126 to be added or subtracted added 26 plus 16 42 and what is your answer here and 242 choice 359 then coming to question number 16 now in the 60 13 and 7 I'm called 13 and 7 13 into 0.5 6.5 plus 0.5 is 7 7 into 1 plus 1 now into 1.5 plus 1 point now into 2 plus 2 into 2.5 plus 2 point into 2.5 plus 2.5 how much 75 done now this is about 60 well done now paper number 70 now it seems that today